In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can improve your pectus in just 5 minutes. This isn't going to be a permanent improvement, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pump, and by doing some push-ups and some sit-ups, and really pumping the muscles around the pectus, so pumping the chest with the push-ups, pumping the abs with the V sit-ups, and it's going to make my pectus look acutely better, okay? And this will show to you how much building bigger muscles makes the pectus look better. And this is really important because it just proves that the methodology of building muscle will work. And it's something that I want you guys to go and do, is do what I'm about to show you with these push-ups and sit-ups to get a really good pump in just some minutes, and then look in the mirror, flex, and you'll see how that makes your pectus look better. And then you'll see that how much the muscle building method works, and like just look at my client results as well. So hopefully we can get this pumped physique to be something that is almost obtainable for you just in a relaxed, natural state. You know, that was always my goal when I was a kid and I started the gym, was I'd go and get a pump, look in the mirror, and now like my body now that I have just without a pump is like better and more muscular than that pumped physique. So hopefully that's something we can do, and for you, just getting this pump, it'll show you kind of what you're capable of and where you can take things, and then obviously it can get better the dedicated you are to the gym, and if you're following a plan and working out consistently for your pectus. So for the pump, we're going to do push-ups. We're going to do a max set. So to get a really big pump, we really want to take the muscle to failure and get high rep, high volume. That's going to probably facilitate the best pump that we can get. And so this is just something we can do anywhere. If I was going to say for the best pump, you probably want to do like cable flies or something, but everyone can just drop and do some push-ups and some V sit-ups. So that's what we're going to do today. So you're going to do as many as possible. Rest 10 seconds. Again. Rest 10 seconds, and then you do it for one last time. And that's the chest pump now achieved. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but my chest is definitely pumped after that. And that's immediately should make the sunken chest look better, getting that more volume and muscle in the chest. And now we're going to do the same with the abs, and that helps with the rib flare and that appearance when you just have more developed abs. Now for abs, it's a bit different because really what dictates abs is body fat. And they're not going to show after doing these V sit-ups if you have higher body fat. So that's something that your nutrition is going to be really important for. But if you're low enough body fat, you should be able to get a bit of an ab pump, and that'll be more prominent as long as you're low enough body fat. So for the V sit-ups, we're going to straight arms, straight legs, meeting in the middle. Whew. Rest 10 seconds, and then you're going to do it again. Whew. Rest 10 seconds and one more set. Oh, after all that, my abs are pumped, my chest is pumped, and you know, my physique's exemplified. And so if you go do that, you should see the difference. Flex in the mirror, like, you know, have a look at what you're capable of. Hopefully it inspires you, gives you some body confidence to keep pursuing betterment in your body and making your pectus look better. And yeah, if you're wanting to take things to the next level, I've always got my coaching service. I've helped hundreds of people now with pectus, and I've got some spots available.